Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram Insights Analytics Overview step by step clearly. To access Instagram Insights, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, select Insights. You will be greeted with an overview of your account's performance. Here, you can see three main sections: content, activity, and audience. In the content section, you'll find insights on your posts, stories, and promotions. Tap on See All to delve deeper into your post's engagement metrics. You can filter by time frame for more specific data. Next, move to the activity section to gauge interactions over a selected period. This section highlights profile visits, website clicks, and other engagement metrics. To analyze your audience, tap on the Audience section. Here, you can see data such as follower growth, age ranges, gender distribution, and location. Understanding these demographics will help tailor your content. Return to your content section for detailed insights on individual posts. Tap on any post to view specific metrics, including likes, comments, saves, and shares. Use these insights to identify what type of content resonates most with your followers. Don't overlook story insights, as they provide valuable feedback on engagement rates. Periodically review your insights to track performance over time. Adjust your content strategy based on these analytics for better results. With regular analysis, you will enhance the effectiveness of your Instagram presence. Utilizing Instagram Insights can significantly inform your content creation and community engagement strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.